Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the actual tail so threading is predictable. First, set the spool upright and hold it against a light. Notches or a punched hole usually hide the tail. Once found, unwind 1 or 2 turns slowly to expose the end. This reduces snarls later. Make sure to trim any ragged fibers so the thread feeds cleanly. A 0.5 centimeter to 2 centimeters of neat thread is ideal. This small prep prevents breaks and saves time as you move on. Next, seat the spool so the thread pulls off smoothly. Feed direction matters because wrong orientation creates twist and tension issues. Once seated, secure it with the correct cap or felt pad to stop bouncing. Thread through the machine's first guides, then through the tension discs. Pause to make sure the thread seats between discs rather than over them, because that affects stitch quality. If available, use the built-in threader for the rest of the path. Otherwise, guide it slowly, while keeping slight tension to avoid loops. Finish by threading the needle using the manual or auto threader, then hold the top thread and turn the handwheel to bring up the bobbin thread. Pulling both threads together secures the loop. Once threaded, run several test stitches on scrap fabric at low speed to confirm consistent stitch formation and correct tension. If you see skipping or tangles, stop immediately. Recheck spool cap alignment, rewind loosely wound spools, and reseat the thread path. Small corrections here prevent larger jams and save repair time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.